Welcome to the tomorrow of retail in the Oracle Cloud. A place where disruption is your reality, and digital agility is the cost of entry. This is a world that rewards those who embrace bold ideas, fueled by intelligent data. This is a place where retail is no longer a business model, but a concept of services and experiences. Built around the customer, fueling business opportunity, where we define channels by how we exceed the needs and expectations of the customer, where we find new market and product opportunities through intelligent suggestions, automating the design of products to meet market desires faster, where partners are intelligently identified, qualified, and sourced, finding and resolving issues before they happen, proactively removing human error. Take command of the digital age. The future of retail in the Oracle Cloud.